If you run a credit repair business and you're only charging $150 a month, you are leaving thousands of dollars per client on the table. The crazy part is this: you don't need new leads, you don't need a new niche. You just need to stop giving away the most profitable part of the journey, which is funding. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things. Number 1, how to make your credit repair offer way easier to sell by adding funding. Number 2, the 3 buckets every client on your list falls into and how exactly to monetize each one. And number 3, the systems and mindset that separate people stuck at $5,000 to $10,000 per month from the ones hitting $30,000 to $40,000 a month with funding. If you ever referred a client to a funding broker and watched them make big checks instead of you, this is how you stop doing that. And just so you know, this isn't theory. One of my students, Wale, was a credit repair business owner doing the same exact thing. We added funding on top of the clients he already had, and in 60 days, we were able to help him scale to $40,000 a month with funding alone. What I'm about to show you is the exact strategy we use to do that with him. Here's the part most people miss. When you can offer funding to a business owner while their credit is being repaired, it becomes much easier to sell on the front end. Right now, most credit repair pitches sound like this: pay me $150 a month for 6 months and maybe your score will get better. That is a hard sell. Instead, imagine saying this: we're going to work on your credit and we may be able to get you access to capital in the meantime based on your business revenue. This is a completely different conversation, and that is a conversation that closes. You move from pay me now, maybe benefit later, to pay me now and here's a clear path to actual money in your account. Here's a simple framework I want you to use in your client list this week, because the money is already there. You just need to know how to see it. Every credit repair client you have right now falls into 1 of 3 buckets. Bucket number 1 is going to be your clients ready for traditional funding. Their credit is repaired or close to it, score is around 700 or above, profile is clean. These are your immediate traditional lending opportunities. Do not refer them out. Call them this week. Let them know you expanded your services. You don't just fix credit anymore, you help business owners access capital. One call can turn a $150 client into a multi-$1,000 funding commission. Same client, different offer. Bucket number 2 is going to be your clients that are fundable through revenue-based lending. These clients are business owners with revenue, but their credit is still rough. Maybe a 520, maybe a 580. But they have a business bank account. They're making $8,000 or more a month in deposits. You can fund them right now through revenue-based lending and keep working on their credit at the same time. That's 2 streams of income from one client, monthly credit repair plus a one-time or recurring funding commission. Bucket number 3 is going to be your clients that are not ready yet. Their credit still needs work and they don't have enough revenue to qualify for any type of funding.
Be honest, how many online hustles have you tried that went nowhere? You've probably tried a few, right? This is a real funding floor. Every headset behind me is a live deal. I'm hosting a free workshop this week where I'll walk you through exactly how to build a funding business, how to close your first deal, how to make real commissions. I keep these sessions small so we can do live Q&A. If you show up and stay till the end, you get exclusive bonus. If you're serious about this, click the link below, save your seat, and come right back.
These clients stay in your credit repair pipeline. You keep working with them, you educate them on funding, and when they cross into bucket 1 or 2, you are the first call they make. Not some funding broker they found on Instagram. This week, go through your client list and sort every single person into 1 of the 3 buckets. There is money sitting in that list right now that you have been leaving on the table. Now let's talk about what actually separates credit repair owners who make the transition and hit $30,000 to $40,000 a month from the ones who learn about funding, get excited, and then go right back to what they're doing. It comes down to infrastructure. You can know everything about funding models, client qualification, but if you don't have the right systems in place, you're going to hit a ceiling and stay there. You need 3 things. Number 1, a real CRM, a customer relationship manager. This is the command center for your entire operation. Every lead, every client, every deal, every follow-up, all in one place. Right now in your credit repair business, you're probably tracking clients through dispute software and maybe even a spreadsheet. That can work for just credit repair, but when you add funding, you need to be able to see where every client is, no matter the pipeline. You need to see who's in credit repair, who's ready for traditional funding, who qualifies for alternative right now, who's been submitted to lenders, and who's waiting on approvals or eligible for a renewal. Without a system that tracks all of that, you're going to miss out on deals. Clients will fall through the cracks. You'll work twice as hard for half the results. Next, you need scripts. Scripts are for conversations where you introduce funding into an existing credit repair client. Scripts for quick qualifying. Scripts for presenting funding options and handling objections. The funding business is a sales business. The brokers who close the most deals are not always the ones who know the most about credit. They are the ones who can communicate clearly, diagnose the client's situation, and quickly guide them to the right solution with confidence. Moving on to 3, you need lender access. Real lender relationships with bankers and revenue-based lenders who know your files, trust your submissions, and will take a second look at borderline clients because they know you send clean, honest deals. That combination of a CRM, scripts, and lender access is what turns a credit repair business owner into a funding company operator. Here's the good news. You don't need to build a brand new marketing machine and start generating funding clients. You already have one. You just haven't used it the proper way. You have 2 pipelines. Pipeline number 1 will be for your existing credit repair clients. Your current clients are your first that you need to reach out to. Start there. Reach out to your bucket 1 and bucket 2 clients this week. Let them know you've expanded your services. You're not just fixing credit anymore. You're helping business owners access capital. That one conversation, when done right, can turn into your first funded deal within 2 weeks. Your second pipeline is referral partners. Who in your network is already talking to business owners, real estate agents, tax preparers, insurance agents, business coaches, accountants? Every one of these people has clients who need capital and know where to send them. You become that resource. Set up a simple referral agreement. Pay 2 to 5% of the funded amount to anyone who sends you a qualified deal. One strong referral partner can change your entire business. It literally only takes one. They send you their first client, you fund that client, now they send you everyone. On top of that, you want to be creating content, short form videos, educational posts about funding and what business owners need to access capital. You already have authority in the credit repair space. Extend that authority into funding. Watch what happens to your inbound leads over the next 6 to 12 months. And then I want to leave you with this because it's the most important piece. The credit repair business is built on patience. You learn to wait, you learn to manage slow processes, you work hard for small monthly payments over a long period of time. That patience is a strength, but it can also become a trap. When you're used to making $150 a month per client, it's hard to believe that one phone call and 2 weeks of work can put $10,000 in your account. It feels too fast. It feels too easy. So a lot of credit repair business owners learn about funding, believe it intellectually, but never actually make the move. Don't let that be you. One of my students came from credit repair. Once they added funding to their offer, they made $15,000 in their second week from funding alone. Then they hit a $43,000 month and secured over $500,000 in approvals for their clients. They didn't start over. They didn't throw away their credit repair business. They just stopped giving away the most profitable part of the client journey. You've already done the hardest part. You built the relationships, you built the trust, you built the credit knowledge. Now it's time to build the income that matches the work you already put in. Stop referring your best clients away. Start keeping that money in-house. All right, now that you know how to take your credit repair business and turn it into a real funding engine, the real question is this: what does the full business model actually look like from the ground up? Because credit knowledge is just one piece of the puzzle, and most people are missing the biggest picture entirely. If you're interested in starting and scaling your own funding company as a business loan broker, use the link below to register for our free funding workshop. In that workshop, I break down the complete step-by-step blueprint into building your own funding business completely from scratch. I'll walk you through our dual funding model, how to get lender access, how to get your first client, and the exact systems my students are using to hit $10, $20, even $40,000 a month, helping business owners access capital. If you already understand credit, you're one offer away from completely changing your income. Hit the link below, register for the workshop now, and then click the next video on the screen. I'll show you exactly how to build this step by step. And like always, see you guys later. Peace.